Welcome back to Auto Luxury. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and unconventional Porsche releases yet, the 2026 Porsche 911 Dakar. A sports car designed to tear up the asphalt and conquer rugged terrain. Let's take a closer look. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Porsche 911 Dakar doesn't look like your typical 911. It rides noticeably higher, about 2 inches taller than the standard Carrera, giving it an aggressive stance and the ground clearance needed for off-road adventures. It features flared fenders, rugged skid plates, red tow hooks, and a fixed rear wing that hints at its rally-inspired DNA. Special Dakar badging and optional two-tone paint schemes, including the iconic Rothmans-style livery, set it apart from anything else in the lineup. The wheels. 19-inch fronts and 20-inch rears wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain plus tires, engineered specifically for this car. Interior. Inside, the Dakar maintains Porsche's luxury and performance feel with a bit of ruggedness. The interior features standard bucket seats with Race-Tex upholstery and green contrast stitching. A roll cage is available with the optional Raleigh Sport package. Rear seats have been deleted to save weight. You'll also find a digital gauge cluster and the familiar Porsche communication management system with off-road specific features like compass, pitch and roll displays, and rally drive modes. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 911 Dakar shares its engine with the Carrera 4 GTS, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six making 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed PDK transmission and Porsche's all-wheel drive system. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.4 seconds, despite its off-road focus. The real magic is in the suspension and driving modes. There are two exclusive ones: Raleigh mode, for loose surfaces with a rear-biased AWD setup, and off-road mode, which maximizes ground clearance and grip. Porsche also included rear axle steering and active anti-roll stabilization for enhanced control on any terrain.